Hi, this is Lily, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the fluffiest pancakes ever. We are going to start with the liquids. First, measure 1½ cups of milk. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Pour 1/4 cup of vinegar. And lastly, 2 eggs. Now that we have set the wet ingredients aside, now we will do the dry ingredients. First, 2 cups of flour, ¼ cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Now mix together, and after mixed, we will mix in the wet ingredients. I preheat my griddle to 350 degrees. Once heated, I scoop my pancake batter on with a cookie scoop. If you want fluffy pancakes, don't pat. I patted one to show you what not to do. The pancakes are ready to eat once golden brown. Now we're all done. Now we have to see if it tastes any good. Diagnosis: delicious.